Hello everyone, I am Gian Asas from BSed English 2. So today, we will have a storytelling about the empty chair. So, the empty chair is a symbol. It represents the presence of someone he deeply loved, someone whose memory still lives with him. He doesn't speak to the chair, but his actions show that love doesn't disappear with death. It remains quietly and deeply. Every morning, Mark made 2 cups of coffee. One was for him, the other one was for his wife Anna. But Anna is gone now. So si Mark is an elderly man who continues to set a plate for his wife every night at dinner, even though she passed away. Her chair at the table was empty. Mark did not move it. She used to sit there every morning. They talked, laughed, and looked out the window together. So ang chair ni Anna kay kaning wala gyapon gi-move ni Mark kay every morning dito man muning pud si Anna, then magtabi-tabi sila, then magkatawa-tawa, then magtan-aw sa kaning gawas. To outsiders, they may seem odd or unnecessary, but for Mark, it is a quiet way of remembering and honoring their love. Let's continue. One day, Mark found a notebook in her things. On the first page, Anna had written, "If my chair is empty, I am still with you. I am in the morning sun, in your happy memories. Don't be sad forever. Live your life, smile." The next day, Mark made 1 cup of coffee. He sat in Anna's chair and watched the sun. The chair was still hers, but it did not feel so empty anymore. Mark found a notebook in her things sa mga gamit ni Anna. Then naigsuwat si Anna dito nga, "If my chair is empty, I am still with you." Bisag unsa pa, wala na si Anna ni gipahinumdum gyapon ni Anna niya nga naa gyapon si Anna sa side ni Mark. Then pagka next day ato, si Mark kay si Mark ay made 1 cup of coffee, then naglingkod siya sa chair ni Anna, then nagtanaw sa sun. So that's the end of my story. So what is the moral lesson of the story? So for me, the moral lesson of the story is love continues beyond loss, or memories keep people alive in our hearts. Not because someone is gone doesn't mean the love we shared with them ends. Kay dili man pasabot nga nawala ang usa ka tawo kay mawala na ang ato ang pag-love nila. Even in silence, small daily ritual can help us hold onto the one we've lost. Always remember, not because someone is gone doesn't mean the love we shared with them ends. I hope you have learned about the story The Empty Chair. Thank you and God bless.